Is your Mazda MX-5 key fob not working as reliably? The most common cause is a dead CR2032 battery. You'll need a new CR2032 battery and a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool. First, gently pry open the key fob casing. Be careful not to scratch the plastic. Once open, you'll see the CR2032 battery held in place by a clip or retainer. Remove the old battery, noting which side is up, usually positive side up. Insert the new CR2032 battery in the same orientation. Snap the key fob case back together, ensuring it's securely closed. That's it. Most MX-5 fobs will auto-sync, but if not, consult your owner's manual for reprogramming instructions. To ensure your key fob lasts longer, avoid touching the battery contacts with your bare fingers. If your fob shows corrosion from battery leakage, clean the contacts with isopropyl alcohol. Symptoms of a low battery include weak signal range and delayed responses from the fob. If the fob doesn't auto-sync after battery replacement, hold the lock button while cycling the ignition for non-keyless models. Future MX-5 models may use battery-free technology like eSIM or NFC, eliminating the need for battery replacements. Consider eco-friendly, mercury-free CR2032 battery variants for responsible disposal. Remember, replacing the battery yourself saves around $45 compared to dealership costs.